Now section C, question number 13 now. So in question number 13, it is given in question number 13 that for 10 pairs of observation, sigma d square is 120. Find the value of rank correlation coefficient. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, सिग्मा डी स्क्वायर दे दिया है, आपको आर फाइंड करना है. आपको फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी पता ही है. आर का फॉर्मूला क्या है? दैट इज आर इक्वल्स टू 1 माइनस 6 इंटू सिग्मा डी स्क्वायर अपॉन एन स्क्वायर माइनस 1. ओके, तो सिंपल सम है. सो नाउ वी स्टार्ट हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, सेक्शन सी. Section C, exercise 2. Okay. So now question number 13 here. That is n is 10 is given. Sigma d square is given 120. Sigma d square is 120. Okay, it is given already. Sigma d square is given. Okay, so now just find here value of r. Okay, 2 मिनट, this नहीं हो रहा. r equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square upon n square minus 1. It is given. Okay, so now here 1 minus 6 into sigma d square. Sigma d square is 120 is given here. Put the value here 120. Value of n, that is 10. So 10 square minus 1. Okay. So now here 1 minus 6 into 120. 6 into 120. Value is 720. 720 दे दिया है. Okay. So now here 10 square is 100. 10 square is 100. So 100 minus 1, 99. 99 into 10, that is 990. Okay. So put your value 990. So 1, that is sorry. Here 120 into 6, that is 720. Now 720 divided by 990. Okay. 720 divided by 990. Value is 0.7272. 0.7272. Now minus 1 will get the value 0.2727, means here value is 0.27. So your answer is 0.27. Okay, so that is question number 13. Now here finish. Okay, now we go for section D, page number 111, and that is question number 10. Okay, question number 10. So here question number 10 is given here. N is 10, x bar is 120, y bar is 150, sx is given, sy is given, xy is given. Okay, find the correlation coefficient. In this case you have to find the value of r. Okay, now first of all we put the value. So here question number 10. So value is given here. That is n equals to 10. N equals to 10. Next value, that is x bar is given, and that is 120. Y bar is given, and that value is 150. Sx is 30, Sy is 40, sigma xy is 189,000. Okay, so in this case you have to find the value of r. Now formula of r is equal to sigma xy minus n into x bar into y bar divided by n into sx into sy. Okay, so you have to learn here short formula. Okay, So now value of xy, that is a 189,000. N is, that is a 10. Sx value is 120. Sy value is 150 divided by n. N value is 10. Sx value, that is 30. Sy value is 40. Now here value will be find now. So 120 into 150 into 10. Okay, that is a x bar is 120 into 150 into 10. Okay, so your value is 1,80,000. 1,80,000, and here is 4 is at 12 and 30. Okay, so your value is 1,89,000 minus 1,80,000, value is 9,000. Okay, so 9,000 is the answer, and in denominator value is 12,000. Now cancel 30 first of all. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, so 3 by 4, answer is 0.67. Sorry, 0.75, I think so. Okay, 3 by 4, value is 0.75. So answer is 0.75. So here question number 10 is finished. Okay, so now my video is also finished. Thanks a lot.